Let's try from this side. You know, I don't have such experience in it, but everybody yeah. Hello my friends, my name is Vlad, and today I'm gonna sharpening this Japanese knife with a Kazakh Sharpener Model 100. If you haven't watched the review of Sharpener Kazakh Model 100, there on the top, I think somewhere here, will be a link, so you can follow this link and watch more about this sharpener in detail. So I will not introduce you today the Sharpener Kazakh Model 100. I just want to show you which tools we need today to use for our sharpening process. I want to show you the condition of the knife, and I want to show you some features which help us to make our work more faster, more professional and more comfortable. That's why Kazakh Model 100 is on the market today. So first let's see the condition of our knife. You know, it's work with a paper, but not good, not good. You see? No. So my goal is to make this knife, is to shave my hairs on my hands. First, I'm gonna fix the knife in these clamps. So let's do it from this side, because don't forget, our handle of our knife must be always be on the side where is magnets, because we will work with this hand to turn it left and right. It's first, and second is because we want to work with the sharpener on the middle of the table, because if we fix our knife in these clamps like this, you need to know that it will block your and you can move it. So in this way, oh, I'm sorry, in this way, if I will fix my knife like this, I may have what I want. I love those screwdriver because you can work at this angle, at this and this, not only at straight. Before we want to start sharpening process, we need to be sure that we unlock our locking system, and we can turn it left or turn it right. So next, what we want to do, let's find the angle of this knife. First stone of grit what I want to use is 400. So let's put our stone here. So if you ask me what makes this device unique, I want to show you the mechanism of quick adjustment of the sharpening angle works. And look how big scale right here, as you can see. When we go down, the angle goes down. When we going up, the angle going up. Okay, let me show you the process from this side. Okay, let's go for the next one. Let's go for 1500. But what I like to do in here, I want to make my angle a little bit going up, just because I want to work more with my stone, work more in the end of our steel. 1500 and with 3000. So let's go to another side. Up, put some oil. And of course I want to check the condition on 800 stone. Check the condition of the stone with my lens, with my zoom lens. Yeah, it's very good. Let's go. Okay, let's go for the next one, and the last one is 3000 again. I go a little bit up with my angle on the 3000 stone to work with my stone on the, as I say before, to work on the end of my, let's go back to the process. Again, my friends, 3000. I'm not sure. We need to use a leather base with a leather. And with polishing paste. I'm not sure. We will see. I don't know. As you remember, I talked about it in another one video about the Sharpener Model 100, that this is a hydraulic system where there is oil inside and the magnet always going up and down. I think you can see visualization right now how it works right here on the screen. Okay, let's go for the next side. I think I want to use my leather aluminium base. Next feature what I want to show about this sharpener is that oh guys, I can't believe how, there is no systems in the world like ours which have this option. So all we need to do, we just unscrew it here, our frame with clamps and our knife. And next what I'm gonna do is just put it up and on me. What this option give us? It gives us a stable angle because we can right now at the middle of the process, even in the end when you're not sure your knife is sharp or not, you can use this option and try it, because if you screw these clamps and put it back and you're trying to check the condition of your knife, it can change a little bit your angle, you need to fix your knife again in these clamps. So let's check. I believe, yeah. Can you see that? Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. I think I want to work more right now with my leather base. Let's put more polishing paste here. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's check it again. Let's try from this side. You know, I don't have such experience in it, but everybody yeah, that's what I want to see. Let's check how it shaves, my friend. Watch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. We talk about here about sharpening of knives. We talk about sharpening at all other tools. We talk about sharpener systems and many things, which is very interesting for you. Thank you. Bye.